Okay, right now we have we have removed all the covers of the mega wheel, and you can see that the mega wheel is just a black box with a metal cover that is sitting on top of the chassis of the tubing chassis. Okay. Right now, unli-Rangekit, the switch for the unli-Rangekit, we have to insert it through the hole on the right side of the scooter. As you can see what he's doing right now, he's inserting the two cables from the switch cable. Okay. The main reason for that cable is for you to be able to choose between internal and external battery pack. Why do you need to choose between internal and external battery pack? Because this switch is a special switch. It has hot swappable capable, meaning even without shutting off your scooter, you can switch between internal and external battery. Right now, as you can see, he's inserting the cables inside. After he inserts the cable inside, the central cable, you just need to connect a XT60 female socket head. And then the line 1 for the cable, you need to to solder a male XT60 socket head. This way, there's no splicing. You just need to connect the sockets for you to be able to choose between the internal and external battery pack. Why do you need to be able to switch between internal and external battery pack? One, you can extend the range since you have an additional battery pack on the outside of the scooter that you can choose. Two, since it will prevent either of your two batteries, the internal or the external, from overheating. Why do we need to prevent that? Because when a battery heats up, there are two consequences. First, the efficiency of the use of the energy of your battery decreases as the battery heats up. Two, the speed of the scooter will slow down as your battery heats up. So, using this technology, the unli-Range power bank kit, you can solve those two problems. So your scooter can go unlimited range, the efficiency of your battery rises, and three, your max speed will be sustained all throughout your ride. Okay, right now, as you can see, he has already inserted the unli-Range the switch cable inside. Okay, for the central cable, the center one, it's connected to the controller. The controller has a male XT60 cable. So you need to, for the central cable, you need to connect or solder the female XT60 socket head. Okay. For the other cable, you need to connect, for the battery cable, you need to connect it to line 2, or this one, and you need a male XT60 socket. As you can see right now, he's connecting, I think he's now connecting the two cables right now.